Ke Kelit Innovative Pipe Systems.
Cut the pipe to the desired length with the pipe cutter WZ-135. With the special hand scraper tool WZ-145, please scrape the welding area of the pipe end thoroughly and exactly. Pay attention to scrape away from the pipe a layer of approximately 0.2 millimeters, yet do not go below the given value of the diameter of the pipe. Please use the included isopropyl alcohol cleaning cloth for cleaning the welding area on the pipes and in the inside of the E-sleeve. Now slide both prepared pipes into the E-sleeve. During the welding, no pressure can be placed upon the pipes. Pay attention that the pipes either lie horizontally or are suspended. To avoid and reduce tension during the welding, the E-sleeve holder WZ-146 should be used. Please read the instruction manual before using the E-sleeve welding device. Plug in the cable of the E-sleeve welding device into the appropriate cable plug-in of the E-sleeve K17. Press the start button. The welding process runs. The device automatically calculates the welding time. During the welding area may not become wet or damp for any reason. Two plugs that come out of the sleeve during the welding process provide you with additional control for a successful weld. After the duration of the welding, the device signals a successful weld on its display. During the cool-down phase of at least 10 minutes, protect the welding area from mechanical pressures such as tension or knocks. After an hour of cooling down, the mended pipe can again be placed under pressure in full working condition.
Ke Kelit Innovative Pipe Systems.